Harrison? Yes, mommy? You finish the work? Then I did that you do from the time me out here, so? Me reach page 13. Get up and go up on Miss Dassa and tell her say me send for the uniform them. Miss Dassa? Yes, mommy. Alright? Hurry up and come back. And me have to come and call you. Yes, mommy. What she say? Mommy, she said I'm not ready yet. What? Look at me, you know, say I want Miss Dassa play. Alright, finish the book review. When me come back, me want to see. Me soon come. Me soon, me go up there myself. Miss Dassa? Come now, Joy.
Yeah?
Afternoon.
Yeah?
I know you may talk to Jackie. Because while I'm down here, sit down and you look like me if you can sit down and wait for my uniform too. If I have them already, you know. Oh, you mean send on the uniform them already? Because as you can see, me have a few upon me but me need to finish start out. Me hear say people get all 6 uniform and all now me not get the one. Then me no make sure try and make sure try and the one when me finish. So when me can collect the rest of them. So that's why you see how long me give me cloth. You come late. You see how long me give my cloth though. Jai, no last week you come. Jai, you come late, so ease yourself and stop pressure Miss Dassa. You come and see me when Miss Dassa take Paris and measurement. Yeah, man. You come beat me next week. Alright. Me give you the rest of your money. Left your money now, no matter wait till next week. Tomorrow. Alright then.